Welcome to 1243 Northwest Varnish Avenue. This townhome is only attached by this small section between the two that's a storage area, shop area. It has central gas heat and AC. It's on a large lot, 7,400 square feet to be exact, giving a huge backyard. Lots of parking. The concrete apron out front gives ample space up front for two vehicles off the street. You can fit two in the garage easy, and one out front on the curb. Landscaping's dialed. Home's in perfect condition. Has seamless gutters around. And I'll show you through the inside and the backyard. Moving from the front door into the great room area, you can see all the laminate flooring throughout here on the main level. The front door, and there is a smart lock installed. This door to right in front of me is the understairs storage. The powder room. Coat closet and the thermostat. These are 9-foot ceilings throughout on the main. Good sized dining area. You can see throughout the home cellular blinds and then these slat blinds for the slider installed throughout. Quartz countertops, single bay sink. The home comes equipped with all appliances included, including the washer and dryer. A really large pantry. Pretty awesome to have this much space for extra appliances and all your food. Really bright, great room area too. Counter space is excellent. Just a fantastic main floor layout, light, bright, and very open. Now upstairs at the top of the landing, between all of the bedrooms, all bedrooms are up on the second floor, as is the utility room. Great natural light. Back into the primary. Fits a king-size bed very comfortably. 8-foot ceilings throughout on the second floor. The shower in the primary. Double vanity. There's room at the end if somebody ever wanted to put a big soaker tub. You could easily fit one here at the end of this primary bathroom. As it is, it's just nice for more dressers and storage. The walk-in, very well organized, spacious. Everything is in like new condition, and it does have the all-important water closet. Really a nice view out here too. There will be homes behind and you can hear them working on the house next door. They'll all be finished here probably in the next 6 months to a year. The best view is really out the front where you can see the Cascades directly adjacent to the primary, the utility room with closet, the guest bathroom here between the 3 guest bedrooms, spacious, and has a huge tub. It's much larger than average, wider, deeper. It's really a great soaker tub. Guest bedroom, 1 of 2 on the southern side. These all have a really great view. That's bachelor and sister straight ahead. Nice closet, fits a queen bed comfortably. The other of the 2 guest bedrooms with the southern exposure. And again, there's that view of bachelor straight ahead. And then as you kind of peek around the side, you can see the sisters too. Really a good-sized guest bedroom. Great natural light. The third of the guest bedrooms. Fits a queen bed comfortably with a desk area. It's not a queen bed in here now, but it does fit that without problem. And then there's an office. Doesn't have windows, but it is a really nice office space. Can be used lots of different ways for storage, as a prayer room, but it is really a comfortably good-sized space here. So you can get in here, shut the door, have a desk, have a little space that's private. Big hallway up here. Just a great second story layout. Now in the attached 2-car garage, oversized, has a full 16-foot door. And though this is a townhome with an attached wall, this point here inside the storage area, shop area, is the only point of attachment for the townhome. The rest is fully detached on this great sized lot. One of the biggest you'll find on an attached or a detached unit. Does come with a heat pump water heater. Awesome efficiency there. The electrical panel is straight ahead. Water shutoff for the home is right there on the ground with its pressure regulator. And then just to show you, there's this access from the man door to the backyard as well. Now in the backyard, you can see this is a 7,400 square foot parcel. So the size of the yard is vast. Long length here for throwing balls for dogs or playing fetch with kids. And there's lots of fruit trees, peach, pear, apple, cherry, and they've all been planted in pairs for cross-pollination. There's a nice garden area back here too. They have an herb garden. It's all on the irrigation system. Good soil's been made and put in spaces to make everything really flourish. They have blueberries. There's an herb garden right next to the patio too. The hose bib right out the back. That is the sprinkler controller patio, and this is the herb garden. You can see that's going all year round. Storage shed stays with, and then there's the gate out to the front. Lots of space on the side over here. The home is all hardy plank siding too. Just an awesome backyard. Private, nice views, and beautiful vegetation.